Okay, folks, 1971 American Rifle magazine. I brought this over to Gene, and we're at a Copulus Market in Mount Pleasant. Best sandwiches around. I'm getting the steak. Look at that. I got these from a sale where I got my van that's on my channel at 90 Chevy Van. And this one's worth $5. I got one that has a turkey on the front. I got it. It's worth $20. Here, look at that. Winchester, $24. Make your own. No nut back in. What we didn't know back then that we know now. And here I'm getting back into the ads. Here, his NRA. I got an NRA knife from that sale. Here's for sale. Here's a Winchester commemorative, $285. Triple that price now or more. There's a Rigby. And his wife made his There's Gene. He knows everything. He knows everything, from guns to politics. Now listen. We didn't tell her either. It's here. Survival kit knife, $4.75. Made better than the garbage today.
Some loving to the pets.
Yeah.
Some pets to the loving.
$25 for a holster. There's the True Oil. There was a WD-40 thing. Here's wanted stuff. They're not around yet. What would you do there? Just their address. No internet back then, folks. Take any 4 books for 98 cents. There you go, folks. Little tour. And I left this here for them. This one was worth $5. March 71, 75 cents. And that sort of looks like Gene. Peace, everyone.